Gavana tunaye hatuna. Gavana ni two term ama si two term? Ainuliwe asinuliwe? Simba ni fire si fire? Basi nchengoro Jacob Bagaka igondo mu MC ward ya Masiki West. Na boigo nde deputy speaker ya Kisii County. Lere tuachirega gusherekea Madaraka Day. Madaraka Day neli tuko twanyarto bosubole kurwa sabarumbasi. Akerechi soko chetu cha ingorwanerera obosubole bwaito mna ba Afrika. Eba akagertenga kerturachi chamo tobege ntekemo ntunyare kwerwa na ntwabanyene. Egere amangana yobotaka aseliwe. Amangana yobochinga wetera so gotasoma aruaroro na amangana yoborwaire. Your Excellency the Governor, I want to ask you with a lot of respect. Ngaboniga amarwaire na araroro akwambukira bwango abwekene munaria mwe gweta ingoro ku COVID. Oborwaire mboro bwakire bokoro ku Ebola. Oborwaire obo bugatoka asakoro kagari Kongo na ande bugacha asakoro ku Buganda. Tutaite kubole president ya Kenya. Enjire bago tenga bale nto borwaire obo Buganda bole ntuga kinto gota kamwanje boigo. We want to ask the government of Kenya that it will not be proper. We can import so many other things. We can import tractors, we can import vehicles, but we cannot import what we call diseases. Nyasaye otuanche ilo urero mpwanya kutaja Kenya se miaka yose zitoi bole tuwe. Te konya arekana. Bona bole ntuga yanga kwa basongo ba kodeki. Bate vile. Kwani bado turaba koroni toraki. Ntoba chobo subole bwaito. We want to say from Kisii also, Your Excellency, if you allow me, it would not be proper for the government to allow us to import Ebola disease to Kenya. We have our own independence, we respect our friends and partners, but it will not be proper for us to accept to import a disease from another country just that the Americans can be happy with us. I want to ask you about Machoge. Umugabana Simba